High on the mountain top, the sun and snow were wet. To earth their chill and free has fled to far off roads below with impulse wild. Snow pure, yet vital as the sun, thy heart is. Too careless the dream, the fond eternal dream of Mother Nature, ever loving one. To earth so pulsing near, the earth and stone tile standing my hair. The thrilling tune of all creation undersong, sing long, sing loud, the cadence to mine ear. I love it. The mountain spirit's life and move in joy in tide-like motion. The wildflowers give their delicate pure limbs unto the spirit to laugh. They craft thy pool that brims and vigorance. Upon the rock, great castle of the storm kings, thy pretty shores go misting, and rainbow banners break. Now mingled day and night of shadow heart cannon, a moment holds thee all unresisting, and ruggedly fold thee in arm of stone. O swift impetus, like leaping out of the narrow channel, onto the broad sun sea, heedless of weeping in the mosses far behind. O bright, O poor, O free, brother of cloud and wind, two flings a jewel gauntlet to the aspen and the pine. Look how the boulders kneel to quaff thy brightness. Pity them ne'er to feel thy wayward likeness. Like a young deer, thy springing lip breathe free defense. Now broadening languorously, thy loosened breast give a mirror to a flight of clouds, and pallet thy like moon. Like some breath from ridge to ridge, born faithful above tree, and paused there, and thus perforce to love tree. O mountain stream, flat as a dream, wild as a wish, thy power to sing, thy talk to find release for impulse in thee, a land that bring what long I sought, a conquering sand of peace.